Do you want to hide comments on Instagram? You can block a comment on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide a specific comment on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Now, find the post from where you want to hide one or multiple comments from someone. Now, tap on the comment icon below the post to open the comments section. Scroll down and find the specific comment you want to hide. You will see a hide option next to reply, just tap on it. If you are on an iPhone, swipe left on the comment to reveal options. Once done, the comment will be hidden from others but still visible to the commenter.